I whakairohi a tō tātou heke mai.
Ka koa Jackie te wani ki te tuari i ngā kōiwi o tōna onamata i o aro, he kāinga kei te tonga o Kaikōura.
This is my beach. This is my backyard.
Mā te kiriata motuhenga, e hāngai ana ki te whakatū i tōna marae.
I need to make sure that my mokos will all know the story.
E maumahara ana te wani ki ona mātua e kōrero ana mō te hiahia ki te whakatū marae i aia e tamariki ana. Nā he pakeke ia i te tau kotahi manoa e iwarau iwa te kaumārua, arā te tau i tūwhera ai ngā kuaha o Takahanga.
I just loved it from the beginning of just learning about it. I don't know about the fundraising because that went on for a long time. But when cliff whiting first came in, and the first thing I learnt was the tuku panels, and I did the steps to heaven, and I thought, there's my mum and dad. They're looking down on us. They're really proud because we're doing what Dad wanted us to do. And we're going to have a whare for Ngāti Kurī.
The whole family was into it, and we took it on board, and we ran with it.
And every project we did, we didn't know what we were going to find.
Ko te whare tūana inoa nei, kei runga tonu i te pai o te marae taketake me te pā i whakatūria e Kāti Māmoe, tataki te whārau 50 tau ki muri. I mua i te hanga i te marae o Takahanga ki reira, me kari rātou i tētahi whaipara tangata.
We took it on board and I don't know, it just made us grow, it made something light within us. And we did it. And so the dig was the same. Oh, someone got something new, someone found something new, someone found the fireplace. I think they found the footpath, someone found greenstone.
Seeing the people from the land digging up their own past is there's something really powerful about that. So it makes for good storytelling.
I tērā marama i whakarewa te kiriata motuhenga are the bones of our past, he kiriata e kōrero ana mō te hitori o te wāhi nei me te marae. Ko tā te kaitohu Pākehā, a Rick Harvey, he honore nui.
I didn't really know how much of a story there was until we started getting into it. So I suppose, especially as a Pākehā, coming in and telling a Māori story, it was about facilitating them telling their own story. So that's what I loved about the project.
They were not accustomed to handling and managing Māori tikanga and Māori kawa. They were learning about all those things at the same time.
At Kaikōura High, we did have a te reo teacher back in those days, but we had nothing else because we had no idea back then what we had started to what we have now. So mind-blowing is the best word I can think of to say.
Ai aki ana te wani i te tokomaha atu o te iwi Māori kia waihanga i a rātou ake kiriata mo a rātou pā.
Just go for it. It would be overwhelming, it's exciting, it's scary, but I'm also honoured and really proud to be part of it.
Ka kōrero tia tonu tēnei pūrākau ki ngā reanga e whai ake nei. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.